Good day everyone, welcome to my video lesson. I'm Teacher Elle and today we are going to explore the wonderful world of music and arts Quarter 2 Week 1. Before we begin, let me share with you what we'll be learning today. By the end of this lesson, you will identify creative works in one local area, recognize the basic concepts and principles of sound, theater, dance, and visual elements based on the Bindiyan dance and the traditional attires of Benguet, and explain the basic concepts and principles of sound, theater, dance, and visual elements of Bindiyan dance. Now we're going to sing with a song called Chuwaay. I want everyone to join in. So as we sing, I want you to follow the beat by stomping your right foot. Are you ready? Okay. Chuwaay, chuwaay, talum alay takuay. Uwe, uwe. Chuwaay, chuwaay, lalakisway silayan. Uwe, uwe. Chuwaay, talong alay takuay, uwe, uwe. Chuwaay, talakisway, silayan, uwe, uwe. Class, today we will learn about a special celebration called the Benguet Festival Dance or the Bindiyan Festival. This is an annual event held every year from April to May in Kabayan, Benguet. It showcases the unique culture of the Ibaloy people through traditional music, dances, and rituals. This festival is a way for the Ibaloy community to share their customs and preserve their heritage. Now, let's go over some important words you'll need to know for today's lesson. Let us have an activity. Rearrange the scrambled letters in each item to form the words related to the topic. Use the clues provided to answer the activity. Number 1. To move the body and feet to the music. That is correct. The answer is dance. Number 2. Ceremonial dance of the Igorot. Very good. The answer is Bendiyan. Next, number 3. It is a wrap-around skirt for women. That is correct. Tapis. Next, it is a traditional loincloth worn by men in the Igorot ethnic group. That is correct. The answer is bahag. The next one is the highness and lowness of the sound. That is correct. The answer is pitch. Next number. The instrument is heated and then pounded and bent using a metal cylinder to create a particular sound. The answer is gong. Number 6. The instrument is played by striking the drum head using the palm. The answer is Sulibao. Now that we have a better understanding of the important terms related to the Benguet Festival dance and the Ibaloy culture, let's explore how these words connect to our lesson today. Now, I have some pictures here to help us understand the Benguet Festival dance better. Let us now answer some guide questions. Number 1. What do you call the circle dance performed during the Bindiyan Festival? That is correct, the Bindiyan dance. Also known as the Bindayan or Bindiyan, is a circle dance that has traditionally been associated with the advent of prosperous headhunters. It is a feature of every Benguet celebration, with the circles gradually giving place to other designs and interpretation. The dance's circular motions stand for the harmony and togetherness of the Benguet people. Number 2. Do the dancers wear costumes when they dance? That is correct. Yes, dance costumes are essential to represent the culture of the dance. Aside from making the festival more visually appealing to finish the look, dancers put a lot of effort into realizing their choreographer's vision. The purpose of costumes is to help communicate the tale of the dance topic while also enhancing each dancer's mobility across the stage. Number 3. What different instruments do you see in the pictures of the Benguet Festival? That is correct. Gongs and solibaw are present during the presentation. Number 4. How will you respond whenever you hear the sound of gongs and solibaw? That is correct. We dance based on the beat of those instruments. Now, who among you has already witnessed or experienced the Benguet Dance Festival or the Bendian Festival? Okay, so what activities do you usually observe in Bindayan Festival? Very good. So there are many activities such as those you mentioned, but our lesson focused on the popular Bindiyan dance and the traditional attire of the dancers, which is the highlight of the festival. Now, let me introduce to you the nature of the Bindiyan dance. Bindiyan dance is a significant dance and it originated in Kabayan Benguet. It is staged as a ceremonial dance with the lead man, the lead dancer, dancers, the gong players, and dancers, which may include the rest of the community members. Bendiyan means dance till exhausted. Men and women, young and old, can participate in the dance. The dance commences with the entrance of the lead man and the lead dancer at the center of the grounds, bearing spears, shields, and a dummy head. Bendiyan is performed for many reasons. Some of these are to heal a prolonged illness, relieve natural calamities such as famine and drought, and to celebrate a bountiful harvest. Now, let's explore the basic concepts and principles behind the Bindiyan dance. In dance, we have four key elements: body, the dancer's form and movements; energy, the intensity and dynamics of those movements; space, how dancers move within the performance area; time, the rhythm and timing of their sequences. Now, for visual arts, we focus on these elements. Line, the building block for shapes and forms. Shape, two-dimensional areas defined by lines or color. Color, the widths and values used in the artwork. Texture, the surface quality of objects. And space, the positive and negative areas. This time, be ready with your notebook and ballpen, then answer the following questions. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring and I look forward to our next lesson together. Goodbye for now.